Hi, my name is Brian Spees, creator of Qualta AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your first guide and start collecting interviews. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is create an account. This will start your 14-day free trial, and it will take you to the guides page. But you might be wondering, what is a guide? Well, a guide is a collection of prompts and questions that tells Qualta how to conduct the interview. It's similar to the written guide that a human researcher would use. Just click the New Guide button and give the guide a name. Next, you're going to want to select a prompt template. There are many templates to choose from, and you could go through and find the one that fits your use case. Or you could select No Template. If you select No Template, you can actually have Qualta create a prompt for you. For instance, say I want to start collecting product feedback for a handmade record cabinet. You can actually provide a URL to Qualta, and it will read the web page and then generate a prompt. Next, I'm going to supply a reference image. A reference image is displayed to the respondent while they're taking the interview. Finally, you could go through these other tabs and fill them out if you like, but I'm just going to leave them set to the defaults. Publish your guide. Now that the guide is created, you can actually start testing it to see if it's the interview experience that you're looking for. Once you're happy with it, all you have to do is copy the public link and share it with your audience, via social media, your email list, or other communication channels. From there, you can start collecting interviews and getting valuable feedback. So now it's your turn to create your first guide and add Qualta AI to your business intelligence strategy. Thanks for watching.